Although again, YouTube, we're just doing some processing here because it was going to rain, and it sure is coming down now. So I've got the Wacker wheel loader here inside, well, underneath the carport anyway. And I just want to give you a quick walk around what we had going on here today before it started to downpour. All right, so this is a Wacker wheel loader. I think it's a WL52 is what it shows up as. And the customer has a Caterpillar loader, and it's always out on the job site, so we ordered up the single joystick controller for this so it can all be run from inside the cab. I like using the joystick controller with anything with a steering wheel, whether it's a toolcat, a loader like this, or a tractor. Just when you don't have the joystick controls like in the skid steer, it's kind of tough. So this is an HWP-120. As you notice in the video, the saw is cutting a little bit slower. The customer's cat machine is putting out so much oil that the saw was snapping back too fast, and it wiped out both little spring tactile switches on the back of the saw bar. So we slowed that down a little bit, so that's why it's cutting slower and returning slower than normal. But all in all, everything hooked right up. We had the quick couplers, we had the case drain. The only thing we didn't have was the 14 pin. It does have something here, but there's only like 2 or 3 different connections coming through. So we have the supply, the case drain, and the return. We're just running with the typical in-cab harness on this one. They did opt to go with the 6-way wedge in lieu of the 4-way. And all we did was we came up and over, put a couple little zip tie holders here underneath the cab just to keep the wires all safe and secure. Came inside the cab, spooled everything up here. We have our standard cigarette plug lighter. And then this is the new joystick. I hadn't seen this one until I took it out of the box today. And what it is, the single dot is the saw, the 2 dot is the split, the 3 dot is the return. Then this is the grabber arm up and down. Sorry, I tried doing a U and a D. Not sure what the button out front does, but this is the new joystick controller from Halverson, and that's how it's laid out. So go ahead and insert the video here of this thing processing firewood. like I said, we did this video a little backwards. We did the splitting first and then the walk around. So just with the rain coming down, it wasn't raining as hard before that it is now. So again, I am AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales. Happy to get you a sales quote on any of the Halverson stuff, whether it's the HWP-100, the 120, the 140B, the 150, the 150 extended, the HWP-140B and 150 left hand, or any of the new trailer mounted models. So I don't have all those memorized yet. They just rolled out about a week or so ago. We do have one of those on order, so stay tuned there. We'll do the full walk around on that one. But for now, if we can get you a sales quote, it's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next go around. And remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. Thanks for watching.